Good morning. Our case for today is breast augmentation. So we will be putting the implant above the muscle because meron naman siyang breast tissue. No? So we're going to put 800 cc. Here's the implant, a Mentor implant. We have here 700 and 800 cc. So she wants a bigger breast. So we're going to put the 800. The measurements are based on the 800 cc. No? So we measure from the nipple superiorly, then inferiorly. We're going to create the new inframammary fold. Kasi malaki yung implant. Yung kanyang mammary fold, masyadong mataas pag naglagay tayo ng 800 cc. Ang mangyayari, implant niya nandun sa taas. So yung nipple-alveolar complex masyadong bababa. So we have to create a new mammary fold dahil malaki yung kanyang implant, no? So 800 cc, I did the measurement. Syempre, I used the Vasquez formula. Kung kasya yung 800 and kasyang-kasya, no? Vasquez formula, I've mentioned that in all my lectures, no, yung Vasquez formula. So we will show you the after pictures of this procedure. Thank you po. Done with our breast augmentation procedure. We placed 800 cc. So far, okay naman. Maganda po yung kanyang breast. I hope walang hematoma or seroma after. So, papakita po natin yan after 7 days. See you on her follow-up.